Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding multiple destinations to a route on Google Maps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are looking at a route overview on Google Maps, you can add another destination by tapping the three dots button at the top right of the page. On the pop-up, select Add Stop. Enter the new location. There will be multiple stops marked on your route. You can rearrange which order you visit them by dragging the three lines icon up or down. You can add multiple destinations here if you are doing a long trip, and you can remove a stop by tapping the X icon to the right of it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Maps tips and tricks.